First line. Morning assembly on Republic Day is celebrated with great pride in our school. Second line. Students and teachers gather early in the morning on the 26th of January. Third line. The national flag is hoisted by the principal. Fourth line. We all stand in attention and sing the national anthem. Fifth line. Patriotic songs and speeches are presented by students. Sixth line. Teachers explain the importance of the Indian Constitution. Seventh line. Students wear neat uniforms and some wear tricolor badges. Eighth line. A short parade and cultural program are also organized. Ninth line. The assembly fills everyone's heart with patriotism. 10th line. Morning assembly on Republic Day teaches us unity and love for our country.